Hey guys, it's Lexy. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be part 3 to my Halo Beauty 30-day challenge series. If you haven't seen the rest of the videos, go check the description box. I will have everything linked down below, and there will also be a playlist. This is going to be my week 2. I don't know what was wrong with my finger right there. Week 2 of my Halo Beauty journey. Let me know if you guys enjoy this series by giving this video a thumbs up and commenting down below any other requests you have for me. Subscribe to my channel and give that bell that pops up next to it a click so you can always be notified when a new video goes live. Let's get started. Hey guys, it is 5:37 on Wednesday, April 4th, which brings us to week 2 of the Halo Beauty trial challenge thing. And it's time to take a pill. As always, wearing pajamas. Hey. So since this is week 2, by the end of this week I should see some kind of results in my hair, skin, and my nails. My nails don't really feel different at all. I don't think they're growing more than normal, but it's only been a week. Hey guys, so it is day 9. It is 2 p.m. on Thursday, April 5th. We're gonna take the beauty boosters, and I got my Subway here. There's 2. So now I'm gonna eat Subway, and I'm so excited. Yesterday I had a little bit of an issue, but I don't think it was from this. I think it might have been the taco that I ate. It just had cheese, the tortilla, the meat, and then tomatoes. And I had that the day before, but nothing happened. So I also had some hot Cheeto fries earlier that day. Those have never given me an issue. I'm like 99% sure it's a taco, so I'm gonna eat something else and see if the issue persists. Okay, I'm gonna get my Subway. Hey guys, so I'm in my pajamas. I haven't had class today. It is Friday, April 6th, and it is 11:13 p.m. We are going to take the next installment. That issue I was talking about didn't happen yesterday, so I'm definitely thinking it was the taco. I also had hot Cheetos with my sandwich, and nothing happened. Love this. I also just got an email from Tati because I purchased the Halo Beauty. She sent out like a little marketing email, and she was like, we're giving out discounted shipping. So the shipping now is around $5. It's $4.95 with that and the taxes depending on where you live. This is for like domestic shipping. It came out to around $48, still pretty much almost $50. If you buy 3, you get free US shipping, but if you're not in the US, that doesn't apply to you. It's day 10. Still haven't seen much results. My acne's back. My hair feels less greasy. Like the oil is what gives it shine, and that's what a lot of people want. It also makes me look like I never wash my hair. Hey guys, so it is 7 p.m. on Saturday, April 7th, and I just got home. If you want to see what I did today, go check out my Instagram story. It'll be linked in the description. It is time for me to take my beauty booster thing. So my skin is feeling more oily. I'm going to guess means it's more moisturized. I think that's what she said this was supposed to do. I think I might do a face mask today just so that I can not feel so oily. My hair looks kind of oily right now, but it feels a lot softer, and this is dead. I don't know if it's just placebo effect or if it's actually working, but my hair feels a little bit softer. It's still like super tangly because I just got home. It feels a lot softer, and it doesn't look as oily as it normally does. Bye. Hey guys, so it is 7:17 on Sunday, April 8th, and we are going to be taking the Halo Beauty. I think this is day 12. I figured out what the little white paper package thing is. It's a pillow pack. Contains harmless absorbent for humidity and odor. And then it has like do not eat all over the back. There it is, day 12. It's almost been 2 weeks now. Still have acne. I don't really notice a huge difference right now. My skin feels a lot more oily. Is that a side effect? I don't know. Bye. Hey guys, so it's 2:16 on Monday, April 9th, and I just got home from class, so we're gonna take our Halo Beauty. I have a water bottle this time because I don't have enough water in my pink cup. Why is it focusing? Come on, focus on me. It's day 13. I gotta check. I'm tracking like the days on my phone. So tomorrow should be when I start seeing results. It was like between 2 to 3 weeks. So if I don't see any results, I'm not going to be too mad about it. I feel like my hair is growing a little. Not any more than it normally would. Maybe if you like continued using it. I already have pretty good hair. As you guys know, you guys always comment on it, which thank you so much. It makes me feel so happy that you guys like my hair. So I think the shine and everything went back to normal, and my skin. I feel like it is a little more moisturized than normal. I mean, I'm not seeing amazing magic results. Alright guys, it is 2:38 on Tuesday, April 10th. We are going to take the Halo Beauty thing. Here it is. Ow, I just hit my arm. This little thing needs to go away. So this completes day 14. That also completes week 2. And I haven't really noticed a ton of difference. Let me know if you guys see any difference in the little clips I've shown. So I haven't seen any difference now, so we'll wait until week 3 and see if there's any difference with that. Alright guys, so that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did by giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. The button is big. It's red. Click it. There's a bell that pops up next to it. Click that so you never miss a new video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button, and then clicking that little bell that pops up next to it, because YouTube is really dumb and doesn't notify you. Ugh, I could go on so many rants about that. Seriously, YouTube, fix yourself. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started.